And shifting focus to a breaking news update coming in. Remember, the BBC, I beg your pardon, reportedly has accepted under-reporting of income paying lower taxes in India. In more news that we're learning, the BBC has also communicated to the IT department that it would like to file a revised return for its income arising in India, a development which the tax department sources say indicates that it has very much underreported its income earlier. So it's on basis of this development, Bhavtosh, perhaps that the income tax department has reached a conclusion that BBC very well did underreport its income, also raising speculations that they paid lower taxes in India.
Yes, in fact, Christine, the survey was carried out by the Income Tax Department in February, and at the time when this survey was carried out, there was a political slugfest between the opposition and BJP, and even at that point of time, Income Tax Department has issued a very detailed press statement saying that they have found certain anomalies between the operation of BBC India here and the income that was generated by the BBC India. Now, what we have come to know is that BBC India had several verticals, and the income that was being generated by them did not correspond with the taxes that they were paying, and that actually has now been communicated to the Income Tax Department. They want to file a revised income tax to the department. Now, the question before Income Tax Department is whether they can accept it, but definitely there has been certain discrepancies in the income tax returns. But Income Tax Department officials have said that they have to first file an income tax, and only then they will in fact mention what are the kind of income tax anomalies that have happened. But yes, the bogey that was in fact raised by the opposition in fact has been punctured to a certain extent. But this is not the only trouble for BBC India here. There has been a parallel probe that has also been is being carried out by the Enforcement Directorate. A case has been registered under various sections of FEMA, which is for foreign exchange violation. That case, in that case, staff of BBC India have been examined, and that pertains to certain foreign exchange violation pertaining to the foreign investment that have come through BBC India.
Well, the Income Tax Department has maintained that the BBC must follow the formal route to comply by filing revised returns and clearing all dues, perhaps pay penalty as well as interest, which could mount to crores altogether. But this is the latest, that the BBC is willingly now wanting to file revised returns. It's a big breaking news update coming in. Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with the latest. We now shift our focus to the special